Kirata will explain about the part of the girl.
Thank you, Amadesh, for your wonderful speech. Ma'am, can you see this is an LCD screen, ma'am, and this is a knowing about how hermitage has been set and which we can keep wires and plugs, ma'am. And this is a basic thing of this, ma'am. Bluetooth model, ma'am. With this only, this project will work, ma'am. And this is a turn for turn, ma'am. And this is a basic DC model. Now my friend will operate it.
Ma'am, we use this code to make this car, ma'am. If you type F in this, it will go forward. If you type F, it will